guess what? We got a call yesterday to let us know that the repairs have been completed on the RV. So we actually get to go pick it up this weekend, Saturday. It's still a little wintry out here. However, this weekend, it's supposed to be up into the mid-40s. So a lot of this is gonna melt, if not all of it. We get to go pick up the What Were We Thinking, hitch it up to this bad boy here. It has not had the experience of picking up a trailer yet. So we're pretty excited. We're pretty excited.
I was sleeping so well. I was in the deepest, most slumbery pit of Snoozeville. And then my wife woke me up. She said, I had to get up. We gotta go. We had to go pick up the RV today. So we will be heading out today to pick it up and drive it to the storage lot. This will be the first time I tow it with the new truck that has the new differential and has the built-in braking. So I'm excited to see how all that goes. Probably won't notice that much with the differential because we're not going to hit the freeway or go up any big hills or anything. But, wow. I guess I better get at it. Don't tell. This is between you and me. Shh. Just a little short nap. I might get in trouble. I better get up. Here we go.
Hey, babes.
Hey!
Where we going?
We're getting ready to go to the dealership, like I mentioned before, to go pick up the RV because they're finally done fixing it.
Only 83 days later.
Woohoo! Man, that's some kind of record. Like, in speed, honestly, for them. But, so we gotta go there. But before we can go there, I gotta get the hitch, put it on the truck, so that we can hitch it up. And we had to look through this mess of a garage.
Because we're in the process of finding a new house. That's why it's here, not because we're pigs.
And we're pigs.
and the hitch is way down in the middle of all this.
It's buried. So.
Why would you put it there?
Well, when I put it there, all this crap wasn't here.
I bet it was.
None of these boxes, none of this stuff, because we hadn't had Christmas yet.
Oh, that's true.
Because,
yeah, this is all Christmas boxes.
Yeah, this year after Christmas, instead of putting everything in the basement, we're like, well, let's just put it in the garage because it's probably going to have to leave anyway.
Maybe.
So, we'll see. But now I got to go in here and get it.
Go get it.
I've lifted this thing a while. It's heavy.
Yeah.
It's heavy. Weighs like, I don't know, I'm not good at estimating things, but I'd say like 4 pounds.
4 pounds?
Easy.
And it's that heavy?
Feels like, well, it could be 6.
That is not lined up. I could see it from here. There you go. That's better. Oh, too far. There you go. Get it in. There he goes. Yo! Don't fall down. Don't fall down the thing. What? I don't know what that. My words aren't working very well.
Ow! My finger got caught.
Uh-oh. Are you okay?
Okay. I guess we should settle up then.
All right. I miss my trailer.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give it a hug.
I'll bet you are. They have a bucket of dum-dums here. The best flavor they had hidden deep inside. But they could not hide it from me. I found it. What'd you get?
Free punch.
There she is. There's our baby.
I missed you.
She said she was gonna hug it, and she didn't lie. There she is. Wait, you go ahead and start at this side. I'm gonna go start on the side that matters. All right. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, no cool racing stripe anymore.
Yeah. Upside, it looks beautiful. Downside, no cool racing stuff.
All your custom stuff you did to it is gone.
Well, there'll be more opportunities, believe me. Looks good.
Yay.
Held on by zip ties, of course. So it looks pretty good. No cool racing stripe. Oh well, we'll live. And like I said, there's always more opportunities to add them later. Hopefully not. Hey, look at that. That's pretty sharp looking. Sexy, I might even say. But I shouldn't, because it's not. Why would I say that? Moving on over here. Everything looks good. Pretty darn good. So we drew straws to see who was going to do the bad part and who was going to do the good part. And I won, so I'm going to hitch it up while she goes in and pays for it. Because it's going to be expensive. And we keep forgetting to win the lottery. Again, I mean, it's unreal. Never. I've never won the lottery. I keep forgetting it. Every day I forget to win that thing. And I would like to win the lottery. That'd be great. That'd be really, really, really cool. But, you know, on the other hand, I do have a pretty good streak going. Almost 16,000 days of not winning the lottery. That's something. It really is. So, streak, win the lottery. God, I want to win the lottery. I really, really do. So much. I'm gonna go hitch up the trailer now. I did it. I did it. I got it on my first backup. I am so great. I am so great. G-R-A-T. She's dancing like we're actually gonna go camping.
I wish.
Nope. Not until April. That's right. We're looking to go in April. And we're working on dates to do like a CFAC camp together sometime in the summer.
Meet up.
Yeah. We'll let you more.
Camp together.
I think that's more interesting. A CFAC camp together. Come on, that's awesome. It just flows right off the tongue. But we'll have more information on that when we figure out the date. Right now we're looking at one possibility in June, and if that isn't going to work, because it might not, it'd probably in August. That's what will end up working for us. So anyway, we'll give you more information on that a little later on. For now, we have to continue to do this.
Look it up.
It was supposed to be warmer today. That's 39. I guess that's warmer than it's been, considering it was in the nothings.
The aughts.
Yeah, low aughts, low minuses. Or would that be the high minuses?
High minuses.
High minuses. We're a couple of high minuses right now.
It's a smile. It's lips and teeth. It's happy to go home with us.
Why wouldn't it be? All right, kids, this is where the rubber meets the road. This is the new truck, and hitching obviously went fine, but this one has the integrated braking control, whereas my last one had this really annoying aftermarket unit that was attached that my knee always banged into. So when I was getting this truck, I decided, well, I'm definitely going to get integrated system so I don't have to deal with that. I just don't know quite how it works. I assume it's the same thing. We'll have to test it out and figure out what's gonna work for this trailer. And I'm excited. That's the mirror flipped out, and this mirror flipped out.
This is me flipped out.
We're trying to get a feel for the braking and the pulling, the towing. You know, this whole thing that we're doing here. Stupid puffy coat. Stupid puffy body. See how it feels. Like I said, I haven't towed with this truck yet. It's been a while. It's been like, what's it been?
83 days.
83 days. So almost 3 months. That feels like longer than that. So I stop. Is it pulling me or is it pushing me?
Kind of feels pulley.
I think it feels pulley. So does that mean I need to go down?
Yeah, because it means it's braking too much.
All right. Okay. Well,
Are we good?
yeah, well, we'll see when I go faster than 15. I can actually like see stuff with the mirrors. That part's pretty good. Except here's a complaint. Here's a quick complaint. This mirror drives me nuts, even when it's regular, because it's magnified and it cuts down the viewing area of what I'm able to see on the right hand side when I want to change lanes.
Yeah.
It's
That's
terrifying.
kind of dumb.
I don't like that being magnified. It's dumb. That's all I'm saying about that. Other than that, I'm pretty happy with everything on the truck. I mean, it's basically the same truck that I had. Was I supposed to be in that lane?
Yes.
Son of a crap. Hey, that's the first son of a crap of the year.
Right now we're doing a really good promo for Menards and At Home right because their signs are
I'm sorry, did you say we're doing a promo for Menards? Like a glove. No problems backing her in for the most part. However, we did have a little problem getting into our storage lot. The gate didn't want to open, which is a problem when you pulled up to the gate and it doesn't want to open. If it doesn't open, we're screwed. We just have to stay there forever. But we eventually got it to open by entering the code about a bajillion times. And finally, just through brute force, it came open. This lot sucks. Do you agree
What?
that this lot sucks?
I hate this lot.
She hates this lot. But we're like kind of up a creek.
There's no other lots in this area that have a space for what we need for a similar price.
Yep.
Everything else is waiting list, it's a lot more money, or it's dirt and mud. And
Yeah,
we're
we don't
not
want
going
dirt
back
and mud.
to dirt and mud. But I hate this lot.
We hate the lot. Let's keep in mind that we were actually broken into here. At least I didn't get inside, but still. It wasn't for lack of trying.
Oh, and then they called me this past fall. No, it was while I was in the repair facility, and they called me and say, we're really sorry to tell you, but we think your RV was broken into again. I said, what? And she said, yeah, we had another break-in. And I said, well, it's a good thing my RV wasn't there then. It's at the storage or repair shop. But that could have been a second break-in again.
Yeah, we gotta find something else, but it's not easy. So this is what we deal with at this supposed secure storage lot.
Cut. And this one's cut. And then this one, they just had pushed through the little thing. Like that. It's not even secure.
What a joke. Of course, there's a sign on the door to the manager's office that says, back at 11. It is currently 11:40. After this, we have to do something terrible. We have to go to an awful, dark, dangerous place. To quote Obi-Wan, never will you see a more wretched hive of scum and villainy. That's right. We're going to the mall. God help us. Well, it's the next day and we're back at the storage lot so that we can take the battery off and store it for the rest of the winter, because yesterday forgot our tools. So now we've got a wrench to get that sucker loose. Here you go. I'll be in the truck. So after the boss over there called and complained about the egregious security at this lot, we come back today and they've somewhat fixed it. They've added a new chain that actually has a lock on it, and it's orange this time, so that means they're serious. They're not messing around with that orange chain. And then it also looks like they actually locked the other chain that was not locked yesterday. So, good stuff. Good stuff. We'll see how long that lasts. Let's go make sure that it hasn't been broken into yet. No. Looks good. Looks good. All right. Well, she took the bolts off, but now it's time for me to do the real heavy lifting. Literally.
Yeah, it's too heavy.
I have to lift the heavy thing. It's pretty much the only reason she keeps me around.
That and getting stuff up of tall shelves.
Yep, lifting heavy things, tall shelves, and my rugged good looks. But other than that, there's really no good reason. Why are you laughing? I'm ruggedly handsome. One thing's true. This battery is heavy. Jeez, oh Petey.